From the misty mountains of China, a 5,000-year-old tradition meets modern elegance. At 1,600 meters altitude of Shangyang Mountain, China, where pristine nature crafts exceptional tea, adequate sunshine and abundant rainfall make every piece of tea full of vitality. From mountain to cup, every step can withstand the test. Each leaf is carefully screened by precision machines and workers. This ensures that every piece of tea meets our standards and quality. In addition, an excellent tea roaster is the best magician to make perfect tea. Our tea makers have been practicing for decades, have already integrated the production of tea into their soul. Everyone needs a good tea to decorate your happy life. At the same time, drinking tea is also a good way to relax. Walk slowly and enjoy. If you want to try our tea, please search the website to enter.